Hey guys, what's going on? John Radisson at Torpedopot.com. John Radisson at Torpedopot.com. Guys, we make self-growing planters. I guess they're pretty much self-explanatory. They're little tiny growing planters, where all you do is throw seeds in your plants in these planters, and you'll get one planter, you'll get as much as 8 pounds of lettuce. And they're beautiful. You get about 5 to 10 pounds of celery. Look how beautiful that is. And so today, I want to pick some peas, okay? Well, these planters, you never water, you never feed. You simply throw your seeds in, and it grows your food for you. It grows these pea plants. So I have to pick peas. Now, I want you to understand, well, the food is perfect. There are no blemishes. Torpedopot that you see growing my food, it grows perfect food all of the time. I don't have imperfect food. My food's perfect. Nothing's wrong with this. Just look how big this stalk is. We have like about 10 or 12 of these growing in one Torpedopot. Celery plants. And they're beautiful. So now I want to harvest some, let's get some lettuce first, okay? Let's get a nice big size thing of lettuce. So we brought our lettuce from our grower. We brought 40 plants for $14. And now each one of those plants has the potential to grow between 2 to 5 pounds of lettuce. Now watch this. I don't even know which one to get. They're all so beautiful. Let's try this big one over here. So I need you to understand how big this is. A lot of you don't realize how big this stalk is. This is my lettuce stalk. This is my food. Every last bit, every last piece of this food is edible and delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hose it down, and then I'm going to eat it. Let's get up close and take a look at it. This is your food. Torpedopot. You see those planters behind you? They grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. Look at what you get. Dude, that's beautiful. Look at the stalk on that. Is that not amazing or what? Dude, that's thick. How thick that is. My planting system grows your food with no human intervention. And I need you to see how beautiful this is. I bet you've never seen anything like this before. You're getting young, tender, natural growth at your disposal. Nobody's got this. Tender, healthy food. Nobody has this. Nobody has this. Torpedopot. So when I say it grows your food extremely well. So I have lettuce. I have celery. Now all I need is my peas. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Every bit, every sign is just absolutely stunning. Torpedopot grows your food. Even when you don't want to grow it, it's growing for you. All you do is put your seeds and plants in that planter, and you'll get food. This food is going towards its full life cycle. You can't find many plants that do that and not be stressed out. This is not a stressed out plant. This is truly its full life cycle. It's experiencing its full life cycle in this growing container. And look how healthy it is. In every way, not one leaf is bad. Not one leaf is bad on my lettuce. Oh, dude, this is a bad growing system. Trust me. This is a bad growing system. All right, so let's pick some peas. You ready? I mean, I don't know how to put this down here. Lettuce, celery. Man, that's so beautiful. Woo. Well, that's beautiful. I'm going to hose that down and have me a ball. So right now, we've got to get some peas. You ready? I don't think I need this for peas, but all you do is pull up, well, I don't have to do anything. Just reach down and grab them. Now, with Torpedopot, we don't grow bad food. We don't have bad food. We only grow good, healthy, clean food. So what I'm about to show you is representative of 99% of what you're looking at right now. Healthy, clean, wholesome food. Healthy, clean, wholesome food. And there's so much of it to choose from. It's called Torpedopot. Again, all you do, you never water, you never feed. You only supplement. You put your seeds from this harvest into that planter with soil. You turn on the water with the knob, with your timer. You do nothing else. You supplement and you walk away. The growing process starts. You might come back, see a weed, pull it out. Pull it out. It's not like a huge garden. You don't have to weed anything. As a matter of fact, if you cover your growing area really well, you have little to no weeds at all. This is grown densely. I cover this so well that I don't have any weeds in it because my food covers the whole planter. It takes over everything. Torpedopot is an amazing tool. All right, I'm going to stop right here because, man, dude, this is amazing. I'm not outside working in my garden like you are. Dude, I'm free. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.